Sean Evans here at Top 10 Real Estate Deals, and we welcome you to our brand new YouTube channel. Fed up of the run-of-the-mill photo property tours on YouTube, we are coming at you with totally unscripted episodes showcasing some of the most luxurious houses up for sale on the market today. And what better place to start? I am a huge Motley Crue fan, so I am very proud to bring you a property that's just gone up for sale, located in Calabasas, California, for a cool $4.49 million. Let's take a look inside the home of founding member of Motley Crue, Tommy Lee. So if you're stuck in the same old situation and want to live like a live wire, yes, I just did that, this is the perfect home for you. This beautiful 9,991 square foot property has 6 bedrooms and 8 bathrooms spanning across many levels, all circulating that beautiful central atrium that you see there. The atrium comes with a koi pond, palm trees and foliage inside your own home. There's this beautiful chef's kitchen that you see before you to go along with a living room, family room, dining room, office and a library. In the lower levels of the property is this a beautiful bar to go along with a screening room that includes a concession stand, a wine tasting and a dining room for entertaining those girls. Just look at that beautiful cinema there with the gold discs on. That looks awesome. I'm sure Tommy will be taking them to his new home with him, but my god, that looks great. But this is the Pierre de la Resistance. Look at that beautiful recording studio. You just know that is where the magic happens. That is the heart, the epicenter of everything that Tommy Lee is about. It is a beautiful professional recording studio with a recording room to boot. With panoramic pool terrace views of the city, this property is now up for sale, awaiting a buyer for a cool $4.49 million. Just look at it. It really is home sweet home. Thank you very much for checking out the first video here, guys, on Top 10 Real Estate Deals. Hit the link in the description box below to find out more about the property, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye!